The average weight of A and B is 36 kg. Average weight A and B 36 kg. A and B average weight 36. Total weight 36 into 2 72. Right. Total weight 72. The ratio weight of A and B weight 4:5 ratio. 4 plus 5 9. 9 minus 9 8. Okay. 8 into 4 32. 8 and 5 40. A weight 32, B weight 40. Ratio weight A and B first by every year B weight increases by 10%. What will the B weight after 2 years? After 2 years, weight of B. Find out after 2 years B weight. B average B weight 40 kg first year and second year. Now we have first year and second year. Every year increase 10%. 10%. 10% means 4 plus 4. First year 44 weight, B weight 44. Then second year increase same 10%. 10% means 4.4. 44 plus 4.4 48.4. 48 point second year increase weight B weight 48.4. Option B. Option D the right answer.